Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm having my favorite, what has become one of my favorites. So I have some Mexican tacos, some nachos, some guacamole, some queso fundita, and I have a mangonada. Y'all already know why. So I also, the kind of tacos I have is carnitas, I hope I'm saying that right again, and al pastor. These were my favorite the last time I had them. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So we're going to jump right in, y'all, because y'all know I was looking forward to this. I was supposed to have the, some shrimp tacos, but I'll do those next week. That's spicy. It's spicy. I was trying to take a thumbnail, Chad. I'm gonna bite this real quick. Let's do it. So, I don't know if y'all going out tonight. Oh no, you lying. I'm gonna drop my onions and stuff. For Cinco de Mayo, get you a margarita, mangonada. I'm gonna be home because I ain't put all my stuff on there. Well, I know I am. I was looking forward to these. Try that. Come on, nah. That al pastor or whatever, it is good. That's really good. It's messy. But it's delicious. I'm making a whole mess. Y'all cook tacos today? What you eating on? What you eating on out there? I should have dipped it, but I was gonna make a mess again. That sounds good. Huh?
Were you talking to me?
Oh, okay. I started without y'all. I got that little cup over there because KIONA told me to stop drinking this before it was all gone. I was tearing it up. And she had it piled high. If y'all want to know how to make it, she has a video on her channel. It's delicious. Delicious. I was gonna try to what's the dish? It starts with an R. It's a pepper. I think that's fried in flour or something. Rilonos. Somebody asked me to try it. I'm gonna try it next time. It sounds good though. It sounds real good. When I like something, I don't want to try nothing else. At that moment. That spicy ain't no joke. When they say hot, they mean hot. I got all my limes up here. I ain't even taste not one. So anyway, thank y'all so much for joining. I'm finna end the video. Don't worry about it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Lord have mercy. I'm finna leave one of them. I meant to say thank y'all so much for watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. Yolanda talking about I stole KIONA spaghetti. Technically it was leftovers. I think it's her birthday. I think. Well, happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday, Yolanda. I hope you enjoy yourself. I don't know who else's birthday today. Besides Cinco de Mayo. Probably somebody I don't forgot. They'll tell me. Shout out to Dr. Di. She knows why. She's so sweet. Really appreciate it. I don't know if you wanted me to share it or not, but I just want to tell her thank you so much. You're amazing. Let me get another one. Get one of each this time, because last time I forgot. Ooh, it's thick. There's a lot of meat on here. Okay. Let's load it up. I'm gonna put some lime on it this time. You want a little lime? A little lime. Oh, sooky. Okay. Shoot. I'm gonna dip it. Just hold on. Let me get it right here. Let's go up. Mangonada. KIONA, let me see my phone. Can you reach it? I get nervous when it be ringing and I don't answer. Thank you, baby. No, I wasn't gonna tell them what all you ordered. I'm not gonna do that now.
I didn't say anything.
No, I was just playing. Huh? And you can make these with or without alcohol. I have a preference, but it's so good. That mango is kicking. So, what was I saying? We was talking about the schools. And the majority of y'all agreed. Some of y'all went off. Oh, y'all, and I did not know he was a comedian. Remember the guy I was telling you about at the courthouse? I had to go back and watch it again. I didn't know he was a comedian. Apparently, I'm the last to know because all y'all was like, you just finding him? Yes. I did not know. He was so serious with it. He is funny. I'm talking about like naturally funny. I love it. I don't know where this rain came from all of a sudden, but I'm glad. Cause it was getting a little hot too fast. And let me tell you, my car had lost her mind. The air conditioner want to act up. No ma'am. A couple things you're not gonna do is work all year long and wait till you get to this Florida heat and act the fool. No. So I don't know if she needs some little reviving oil or whatever y'all got to put in them. My girlfriend better get right. Freezing cold in the winter. And then when it get here in the summer and not cool off fast. Girl, bye. I was like, no, baby. But she started acting right after I had snapped on her. Maybe I was being impatient. Cause you know how you come out of that sun and you want the car to be cold as soon as you get in it. But you gotta drive down the street for a little bit. Oh my goodness. She's straight now. Woo! one that can only eat about 2.5 tacos with the tortilla. Like, dang. And I made sure I didn't eat anything. Oh, I forgot. Now I got my little corn in the cup. Hold on, let me chew my food up. Girl, we is feeling nice. Shoot. Oh, I forgot my little stick. I forgot to put my little stick in there, Key. It's all good. Oh, it's good. Oh yeah, and y'all gave me y'all recipe. That's right, somebody said she put, I know it's probably lime in here, but I'm gonna put a little bit of lime in here. She said, a lot of y'all gave me how y'all make it. KIONA got her one this time, so we ain't have to share. It's good. Excuse me, y'all. Child. That's delicious. Oh, I want one more. Let me get one more. They both good though. I'm gonna take one of the tortillas off. I think that's what be getting me. Which one to get? Woo! Oh, shout out to everybody that said they tried the pickles. Most people said they liked it. Maybe one or two people was like, girl, that thing is good. Did y'all see that man that tried he was eating the pickles, but you know they juicy. So he gonna try to suck down the juice and almost swallow the whole pickle. He be doing the most. Lord, I want one more. How much time we got? I think we got time for one more. Well, 1.5. Yeah, that's better. I couldn't even see y'all. I ain't know was it the mangonada or the light. I think it was the light. Dog. I kept trying to look in the viewfinder. I couldn't see nothing. But it was the light. Don't start. Y'all love to start. Anyway, listen, y'all. Hold on. This is my little wig, child. I was just I saw on Instagram today when they was talking about what's the pettiest thing you've ever done in a relationship after it's over. And that boy took them took the knobs off the stove. I was like, who does that? I don't think anybody actually took the knobs off the stove. He was snatching everything. So I can't even think of anything that once I leave, I leave. I don't think I've done anything petty, but some of that stuff was hilarious. stuff that people had bought. I was like, if I leave, it's leaving with me. And we was taking doorknob, seasonings. I'm like, it ain't worth it. It is not worth it. Oh, that stuff good. Okay. Let me eat my last taco. Which one I'm gonna go for? It don't matter because they're both good. Let me see if I can take one of these tortillas off. Oh, but it's juicy. It might come apart. I probably can't load it all the way up. Oh, it's good. Oh, don't fall out. The pettiest thing. That was so funny. Have y'all done anything petty and you look back and be like, now you know I showed out then. I showed out. I'm like, God. He was doing stuff I hadn't even never thought about. Taking the light bulbs out. Just crazy. Put a little cheese on that thing. Oh, that's what Aunt Fee used to say. Y'all remember? When she would be like, I put a little cheese on them. You know, they love cheese. She was so funny. Oh, that's good. Woo. Alright, y'all. I tried. But both of them are so good. Those are my favorites. Hands down. KIONA gonna try to eat my taco. I ain't gonna hold y'all no more. Hope y'all enjoy y'all night. If you go out, if you stay. Oh, that's what I meant to say. Who asked me did I get my outfit yet? Oh, what's her name? She asked me did I get my outfit for the concert. And the concert is Saturday, right? I'm gonna be ready. Oh, I know it starts with a T. I can see it in my head. Is it Tigress? Sis, you know who I'm talking about. She asked me did I get my outfit. Y'all gonna watch the concert? I'm ready. It's gonna be fun. It's going to be fun. KIONA talking about, you're gonna be loud and be extra loud, okay? Extremely loud. Matter of fact, I need to record the video early. I say that on every concert. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. That one should be really good. It's like I want to stop, but I can't. Okay. Let me go. That's it, y'all. I'm tapping out. Alright, so thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.